Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Faisal, and this video is all about why do you have to learn Python. First of all, this playlist is tailored for a for peoples who don't know anything about coding. Especially, we are going to start learning, about coding, with Python, so that the reason why we are starting with Python is one of the most easiest language to learn, and Python has lots of applications which will lead you to land on any job in the IT sector. Okay, so that why do we have to learn Python? Because you can do web development with Python. All the things that you are seeing in the internet, like the Instagram, Spotify, YouTube. Even you can build up anything that you are using as a service, okay, in Python. So in the sense, the web development in the sense is not about web pages, okay. Web development is web applications, that application that you are using through web. Okay, Python has lots of libraries and framework for that, so that it's very easy if you are if you are doing some web application development in Python rather than any other language out there. Okay, the second thing is the data science and analytics. It's all about dealing with datas. Okay, the data scientists are the peoples who are collecting, cleansing, and making some sense with the datas. Okay, these peoples used to work with Python a lot. Okay, so without Python you can't claim yourself as a data scientist or analytics analyst. And the third application for Python is machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is so hot right now. Okay, it's all about training an AI model and developing AI model, and creating the driverless vehicles. These all stuffs are built upon Python. Okay, the Python is one of the most powerful and easiest technology in the field of artificial intelligence. If you are someone who is just want to be an AI engineer, or someone related to that, skipping Python is going to be is it's a big red flag. Skipping Python is a big red flag for you. And another application is automation and scripting. you know Nowadays the world is completely changing as automation it's changing to automation, because nowadays everything around us is going to be automated. Okay, in the previous days, or the you know the previous days are nowadays, some of the things are not still automated, because still we have to use humans. Nowadays we have the large language models and the AI stuffs. If this technology can completely you know do what are the things that we have been doing so far. Okay, so that the automation and scripting is going to be have a big impact. And the another technology is web scraping. I don't want to get into deep so much for this take. So I just want you to know that we can do web scraping, and game development, and the desktop application. In the previous days, desktop applications are built by using .NET frameworks, but the Python can do this thing also. The Python can do make some nice desktop applications also. So if you want to build some nice desktop application, if you want to you know build some native apps, like Windows native apps, like Mac native apps, you can still rely on Python. And the and the networking and cybersecurity engineers, so that the world is full of threat. Right now the world is net. Okay, these peoples are securing our datas and files and everything, so that if you want to someone who is having some interest on this kind of hacking, industry, you have to know Python. And the next application is IoT and scientific computing. IoT is all about, if you have a product with some control over internet. Okay, for example, nowadays you can switch on your light, or you can easily control your AC, just by sitting in your home. you know Now, IoT is all about controlling things via internet. you know you can nowadays you can turn on your light from you turn on your home light from your office, or you can turn on your AC from your office. These are internet of things. Okay, these things can be controlled over the internet, so it's called internet of things. So that the Python is also having some impact in this tech also. So these are the tech platform in IT that the Python has been used so much, so that learning Python is an undeniable skill in the industry of IT. So that's why you have to learn Python. And in this playlist, you can easily learn Python. Even if you are a beginner, if you don't have any idea about programming and all, I'm here to teach you, so don't worry. And in the next video, I will meet you guys.